Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Richard with Crypto Loaners, and I wanted to just make a quick Lendconnect update video. Recently, they put out a video themselves where they're discussing what they're looking to do in the upcoming future. And they put a video on their main webpage here, which I think is supposed to inspire more confidence in their platform, though. That video to me is a bit odd because they kind of have a guy in the shadows sitting there talking to you who doesn't really show his face. Doesn't exactly inspire confidence in the platform for me. That being said, I think it's helped because their token price is back up a bit. Previously, it was down to sub-dollar prices for a little bit, and now it's back up to a little over $3. So I guess it's helped out some. Their internal exchange is opening in a couple of, I didn't mean to go down. Their internal exchange is opening up in a couple of days, so that's a good thing. Right now, if you want to pull money out of their exchange, it costs you an extra 10%, which is quite steep, to get out of if you want to pull your profits out of the platform at this point. They made some changes here, which I think is a little different, just making their site look a little prettier and showing you what they've been up to at this point as far as their interest rates go, which, as you can see, has been great at this point, and compared to what you used to see with BitConnect and Devor. Definitely less than the potential 5%, but it is up to, in some cases over 2%. Generally, it's 1.5 is almost the standard that I would expect. Anytime it's higher than 1.5, it's almost like, oh my gosh, it's great. So looking at my setup, what I had said before in my previous videos, I actually did. In total, I wound up pulling out my initial $1,000 investment that I made, and everything after this is kind of gravy. The one thing I did that's different than what I initially talked about is I was going to set my reinvest at 50%, and I did that for a couple of days. The one thing I didn't realize, and I don't think they quite make it clear in any of the documentation, maybe it is there and I missed it and I didn't understand, the reinvest percentage is off of your wallet balance. So if I got $30 one day, the reinvest percentage it would take would be 50% of the wallet balance, and leaving me with 15. The next day, if I got another $30, bringing the total to 45, it would then take 50% of that, leaving me with whatever that is, 20 some odd dollars, and then going on, so on and so forth, which isn't what I wanted to happen. I figured it would have been the 50% of what I got for the day, not of my wallet balance. So I lowered the percentage price to 20%, which kind of averages out to about what I feel like I should want to do. So if you look, these are my daily totals they're giving me. So today was $36. The other day was $44. Like, from the time that I pulled out my initial, like the other $400+ in my account at that point, I then started accruing from 34. It deducted 18, or well, $36. At the 50%, it deducted the $18, and then, as you can see, exactly what I said happened. Another $36 came in, but it took 27 from that, and I was expecting it to continue taking 17. So I adjusted my percentage down to 20, and obviously this number is going to go up as my wallet goes up, which is fine. But at the end, what I'm going to wind up doing is at the end of every week, probably every Friday. I think I'm going to take my balance out and keep that while I continue to build what's in my investment pool at this point. We'll see if, and it's interesting, like I only have to make it till April 22nd to actually get this out. We'll see. I hope the platform lasts long enough to get that out. Because it's a lending platform and lending platforms haven't been doing great. If it makes it that far, awesome. If it doesn't, I've already got my initial investment back. And like I said, everything after that is gravy. We'll see. I mean, who knows? Maybe Lendconnect can actually make a bounce back and be potentially maybe the first successful lending platform. I'm not telling you guys to sign up. I probably will have an affiliate link in there if you do decide to sign up. But I'm not recommending people to sign up just because I don't want anyone to lose their money. It may turn into something that's super profitable for you guys if you did. I just don't know. The future for lending platforms at this point is just super unknowable right now. I'm hoping that this platform can be successful. I'm hoping that I can get this amount out. But like I said, if I don't, I've already got my money back that I put into it, and everything else is just gravy. And I'm going to continue doing the 20% reinvest and cashing out probably every Friday. Which is tomorrow, actually, I think at this point. Yes. So I'm going to wind up probably pulling out about I'm guessing $30 or so tomorrow, and restarting every week just to see where things go. I might actually even wait at this point, since it's so close, to just waiting for the internal exchange launch so that I don't have to deal with that extra 10% loss. So maybe I'll wait and do it at that point, and I might make a video at that point illustrating what the internal exchange looks like and everything else. So thank you for checking out this quick video. Like, subscribe, all that happy fun stuff. Talk to you guys later.